Let's check out this new knife from Civivi. Comes in a cardboard box, and inside the box we've got a nylon pouch with the Civivi logo. Inside the pouch we've got the fur lining, we've got the warranty card, we've got a Civivi logo sticker, we have a sticker with one of their knife designs, microfiber cloth, as well as a catalog with some of their other designs. And then this knife is called the Bluetick. This one is a pretty neat one. It's a Damascus blade. It has a flipper. And this one has the carbon fiber overlay on the G10 for the grip. Very nice. It's a liner lock. Easy to close and open. Lightweight. Has a clip that allows for tip-up carry, and it looks like you could switch that to either side. A very nice look. Very nice shape to this one. It's not too thin, but it's not too thick either. Hope this helps.